it, so we'll come back next year.
It was made Christmas.
Yeah, it was really good fun. What, did you like it?
My favourite bit was the magic when they put the lady in the box and they put the slabs in.
I have no idea how that trick's done, so I thought it was brilliant. And the juggler
he was really good. And I like the roller skating one as well. When she started doing acrobatics, that was really good.
She was brilliant. I thought she was really entertaining.
And we were a bit scared. We thought it was going to fall, didn't we?
No,
I did.
Favourite bit? The motorbike.
And that why they spin over and that's really good.
Did you like the clown?
Yeah.
He was funny, wasn't he?
Fireman on the ladder, that was quite good as well.
Back at Zippos Circus, weren't we?
Yes.
Absolutely.
It was absolutely fantastic. I think there was something in it for everybody.
It was good, wasn't it? All of it, mate. It was all brilliant, to be honest.
Circus was brilliant. I really recommend it. She really enjoyed it. She couldn't take her eyes off it.
Absolutely recommend
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was fantastic,
It was amazing.
wasn't it?
Yeah,
Best
amazing.
thing we've done today.